Question 545. We are asked to strengthen the astronomer's argument. Let's look at the evidence and the conclusion. Evidence. Stars are born in groups of thousands. Each star in the group is formed from the same parent cloud, and it's given that each cloud has a unique homogeneous chemical composition. And based on these evidences, the astronomer concludes that whenever two stars have the same chemical composition as each other, they must have originated from the same cloud of gas. Let's identify the assumption first. Let's try to bridge the gap between the evidence and the conclusion. Evidence. Each cloud has a unique homogeneous chemical composition. So this composition is unique. And it says each star is formed from the same parent cloud. So if two stars are found to have the same chemical composition, then the author concludes that they might have originated from the same cloud of gas. This can only be true if these two stars take the chemical composition of the parent cloud, right? So you're looking for an answer choice that supports the assumption that the two stars or the stars take the chemical composition of the parent cloud from which they are formed. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. In some group of stars, not every star originated from the same parent cloud of gas. Now this does not help us to determine whether the stars take the same chemical composition of the cloud or not. So answer choice A is irrelevant. We can eliminate A. B. Clouds of gas may be remote from each other, may not be remote from each other. Again, will not help us to determine whether the stars take the same chemical composition as the parent cloud of gas. You can also eliminate B, irrelevant. Answer choice C. Whenever a star forms, it inherits the chemical composition of its parent cloud of gas. So this definitely supports our assumption that stars take the chemical composition of the cloud from which they are formed. So we can hold C. D. Many stars in vastly different parts of the universe are quite similar in their chemical composition. If this is true, then there is a possibility that we may find two stars having same chemical composition but formed from, that are in different parts of the universe but formed from different clouds, right? So this weakens the author's argument. It does not support it. So we can eliminate D. E. Whether the astronomers can sometimes precisely determine, got it. E. Astronomers can at least sometimes precisely determine whether a star has the same chemical composition as its parent cloud. Which means astronomers can sometimes determine whether the star has the same chemical composition, sometimes they cannot determine. So this may strengthen in one case, it may weaken in another case, but to be precise, it does not help us to determine whether the star takes the same chemical composition as the parent cloud. So E can also be eliminated. The correct answer choice is choice C.